Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Lunar Wanderlust Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, double crochet spike stitch, and be familiar with the spiked sedge stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make 1 half double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. Then make a double crochet into the same chain as that single and half double. So all together in that second chain is a single, half double, and double all together. Now we're going to get into our sequence for this row. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make that single, half double, and double all in the same chain. Skip 2 chains into the next one, single, half double, and then double all in the same chain. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single, half double, and double all into the same chain. So now you can see how this sequence is working up. You're now going to repeat this by skipping 2 chains, working that single, half double, and double all into the next chain together until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to immediately get into our sequence for this row. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make a single crochet. And then a half double into that same stitch. And then instead of making a double crochet like we had done on our last row, you're going to make a double crochet spike stitch. And you're going to make it into the stitch or chain right below the stitch that we're working into. So it's going to be this one right here. Right now it's going to be a chain because we're only making our second row. Going forward, it will be the stitch below. So you're simply going to make a double crochet into that stitch or chain right below the stitch you were working into. It's going to look like that. Now we can start repeating this sequence. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, single crochet, half double, then double crochet into the chain or stitch right below the one you're working into. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, single crochet, half double, then double crochet spike into the stitch or chain right below the stitch that you're working into. So you can see how this sequence is looking. You're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 stitches, working a single crochet, half double, and then a double crochet spike into that stitch below where you were working those other 2. You're going to repeat this until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 140 rows total for a throw-sized blanket. And that is going to be how to make my Lunar Wanderlust Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.